बनोगी जिसकी तुम ऐसी, हंसी तकदीर किसकी है। कभी वो जल रहा होगा, कभी खुश हो रहा होगा। खुदा भी आसमां से जब ज़मीं पर देखता होगा, मेरे महबूब को किसने बनाया सोचता होगा। खुदा भी आसमां से ज़माने भर की मस्ती को निगाहों में समेटा है। कली से जिस्म को कितनी बहारों में लपेटा है। हुआ तुम सा नहीं पहले, न कोई दूसरा होगा। खुदा भी आसमां से जब ज़मीं पर देखता होगा, मेरे महबूब को किसने बनाया सोचता होगा। खुदा भी आसमां से फरिश्ते भी यहाँ रातों को आकर घूमते होंगे। जहाँ रखती हो तुम पाओ, जगह वहाँ चूमते होंगे। किसी के दिल पे क्या गुजरी ये वो ही जानता होगा। सटाफ के दिल पे क्या गुजरी ये सटाफ ही जानता होगा। खुदा भी आसमां से जब ज़मीं पर देखता होगा, मेरे मुंजाल को किसने बनाया सोचता होगा। खुदा भी आसमां से। ये काम वही करेगा।
एक दिन है और दुख भी होता है मन में। Five of our colleagues are going out of the branch today. इस बारे में दुख हो जाता है, लेकिन all the five are going happily. Maybe in their mind they are flying in the sky. मुंजा तो आसमान है लास्ट एक महीने से ऊपर, बहुत ऊपर। Of course he shows it off. Others also may be flying, but they are not showing it off to that extent. हमारे को भी उतना ही खुशी है। हमारा साथी यहाँ प्रमोशन होके जा रहे हैं, और वो भी फर्स्ट टाइम विद इन द स्टेट, and particularly lady staff members are getting in Delhi as per their choice, and other Rakesh Sharma and Narendra Munjal, the nearby neighboring districts, considered to be a good place, and Mr. DPS Chauhan also not unhappy within the district, though nearly 90 kilometers. He has got proper conveyance there. He is confident of reaching it without disturbing the family. So otherwise, last 2-3 years, those who used to go on promotion used to be feeling sad because they have to go to UP, whether it is officers. Bihar, even Surendra Gupta went to Bihar and had all the sufferings. I am also happy from Gurgaon branch, 5 people got promotion, maybe a record for the bank this year. When compared total 600 promotees out of 1,550 branches, or from the zone out of 83, 5 people are from Gurgaon branch. It is a credit to our branch, credit to all of us. Again, you have seen the branch, most of you, at least for the last 10 years, 15 years. You have seen the good days, you have seen the bad days. So with the good days, he started getting encouragement from all level. Lot of promotions have taken place during the last 3, 4, 5 years. Whether it is attendance, every year one attender we have seen got promotion. Officers also got promotions. This year again 3, 4 officers got promotion, scale promotion. And clerical promotion, clerical to officer, it is a record. So that does not mean all those who got promotion only are eligible and they deserve others qualification. So somewhere they were not people who have sat with us today getting relieved on promotion. Anyhow, for them better luck next time. And a few more, of course they don't want promotion. वैसे भी थोड़े है लेकिन high unnecessarily at this age we don't want promotion again. Earlier the fear was that they will be transferred to UP. This time that is broken. So in future also the promotion may be within the state. The next batch, next promotion process they should get. During this year, all the three say record for this branch. It is possible only because of the excellent cooperation from all of you. And now as regarding the outgoing people, of course the people who are getting delayed, they have already left. Another 5-10 minutes I can talk. I hope you are not getting delayed. Munjal, of course first Darshan Pal Singh Chauhan, he was there before my coming to the branch. And I relieved so many people on transfer. His transfer was due last year. He was expecting and was crying actually. In fact, udhar jana, idhar jana. So I told him stay back, and luckily Bank's policy was also like that. They have given 1 more year extension, and today he is happily going on promotion and within the district. So really luckiest of all the 5. So we had a very nice days with him. We never had any conflict or quarrel except the routine arguments for the betterment of both the sides. And he is shouldering higher responsibility. Luckily, Firozpur Jirka is a very small branch and his friends are already there. He has sent his representative 2 years back. Koshia Singh and Uday Singh, 2 are there. And even manager also, as he has worked with him in the earlier stint in Dharwada. So he will be homely, just like going out of the branch to the extension counter. Only thing is the distance is a bit more. I pray to the Almighty all the happiness and bright future in his career. He is only 41 years old. Another 19 years service is there. He will get scale 2, scale 3 manager, and again he will come back. He can go up to scale 3 easily, or who knows. Nowadays it is going very fast promotion process. Every 5 years they are coming on the fast track. So if he completes CIB and makes more efforts, he may reach still higher level. I wish him all the best. And Narendra Munjal, as everybody has praised, he deserved. He himself is a very lively person. Wherever Munjal is there, बहुत कुछ शेक होता है, कुछ होता है. Anyhow, very interesting and always at the counter, running from this end to that end, attend to each one of the customers. Even though at times he commits some small mistakes here and there, at least to be forgiven. किसी का है, दूसरा ले लो ना, ओके, दूसरा ले लो, दे दे, और किसी का नहीं करना, मेरा नहीं, चेंज हो गया. Today we have to learn a lot more. When shouldering the higher responsibility, the small mistakes also may cause lot of hardship at a future date. So he has to be more careful.
सर अभी तो प्रमोशन होगा ना, समाजिक को लेंगे. अभी बहुत सारे.
So let it not go to his head, let it go to the heart.
ऐसे समाजिक को लेंगे. प्रमोशन के बाद जो ट्रेनिंग लेंगे, साइन कम करना. बहुत करता है, कम करना.
नहीं, मेरे से जो कुछ से ट्रेनिंग लिया है, ज़्यादा साइन करते हैं.
समाजिक से कम.
So don't shirk the responsibility, but see see and do. So I wish him all the best in his career and happiness for his family. Then Rakesh Sharma. Today morning also I called him and told him we had a fight, there is no misunderstanding. 2-3 occasions I shouted at him, shouted only to correct him. Being a good, knowledgeable person, at times he behaves like a child. But my intention is not to punish him. अगर punish करना है 90% of the staff members, I can catch them. I have told you in the earlier forum, they are zero in IR process, including our leaders. We don't know, including so many leaders, the past and present. See, management is nothing different than the staff or including attendants. Management does not come from heaven or it is created and brought and yes, you are the management. You are the management, you have got promoted, you sit there this side. So basic need is human touch. You should understand the problem, try to respond to the difficulties. Meanwhile, you have got a role to play. Once you sit in my chair, I am sure 90% of you will behave rather differently than what you are behaving, arguing and at times raising issues today. Because we have to get the things done. You are answerable to the head office, you are answerable to the customers, you are answerable to the staff. I have ended only with friendship and today he is promoted, he is shouldering higher responsibility. He is also, I checked up with him, he is very happy to go to Hisar. He will get quarters. I wish him all the best in his future career and happiness for his family. Then Amrita Rao. She joined the branch just 1.5 years back. And one my weakness, or it may be a wrong thing also you may say, whenever I find some person is capable of doing some good work, I first post them to the advanced department. Because the department which requires a little more talent, little more alertness, little more hard work. In other departments, okay, if you make a mistake, what happens? There will be some small debit balance or other things. We will be able to recover it, or some mistakes in statements, we will say sorry. Should have faced it. Luckily for her, everything is lucky. She is getting as per her request. KG Road, Delhi only. She will not shift to Delhi. So long as Sudhakar Rao continues in Sona. Then Mamta Joshi, very short and sweet. Hardly 1 year. I just remember first day. Generally, I make them to sit in my cabin and talk to half an hour to 1 hour. I talked to her nearly 1 hour, I believe, that day, in spite of the morning hours customers interference. I found again she is talented. She has already passed the test last time. Graduate, law graduate. Again CIB she has done. And she has passed the test in the last branch also, last year also. She was aspiring for promotion and luckily this time she got through. Though she is, I think among all the 5, she is the junior most. She has got a long career. And her husband also in Union Bank of India, an officer. So with this guidance also, I hope she will come up very fast in her career. I wish her and her family all the best. Then lastly, today is another program also added for Subram, who has completed 25 years service in our bank. Very few of us here, I think, including me, Mr. Pai, Bashir Ahmad, Mr. Agarwal, Rohila, Kiran Manchanda, she is here only. We all got the watch as a token gift from the bank in commemoration of our completing 25 years service, unblemished service in the bank. The bank. अभी CIB का अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया होगा, otherwise you also